Well, first I want to talk about why, and maybe it's obvious, but securing microservices is crucial to prevent unauthorized access. But the goal is really to protect our sensitive data and to ensure system integrity. It really starts in our mind with a solid authentication and authorization strategy, and we most often recommend using a standards-based approach for these types of implementations. For instance, something like OpenID Connect or OIDC. It's built on an OAuth 2 standard, and it can be used to verify identity, but then to generate access and identity tokens, or what we call JWTs. Those tokens can then be used by microservices downstream to authenticate access and determine permission or authorization. So using a standards-based approach like this can ease the burden of implementing security at scale across many services, and it can be implemented using standard libraries and abstractions. Also, while it's not always possible, it depends on the industry, compliance regulations, and the specific use case, resist the urge to reinvent the wheel for authentication and authorization. Where possible, use proven software as a service or SaaS-based identity providers. This can remove a tremendous burden from your development and security teams by using proven security implementations. They're being continuously evolved and maintained. Another common recommendation we give is to use TLS everywhere, and by everywhere I mean everywhere, not just traffic coming from the public internet, but even for that internal service-to-service traffic. Why? The short answer is it's fast, and it's a uniform approach to securely communicating with services running anywhere. So rather than the more traditional approach of defining your security via network perimeters with tunnels burrowed for access, you can define your system by anything that's been issued a certificate from your certificate authority, making your implementation more consistent and uniform. These are some of the things to consider when securing microservices. To discuss this in more detail or any other development topic, reach out to ask the team at keyholesoftware.com.